Sometimes it's handy to be able to search for specific text within the load of files which are in a directory tree. So for example, when I'm programming and I've got a directory hierarchy of source files, I want to be able to find out specific parts of the source code within those files where it occurs. Then it's good to be able to do a find command to search across all of those files at once and pull out the things that I need. So if I do a tree of just the directories of my Raspberry Pi Pick program, which is a Python program, and you see it's a hierarchy of files, and starting off with test ASM, and then a bunch of example directories. So first of all, to find just files within this tree, you use a command called find. You specify the directory tree you want to search, or the base, the bottom directory of that tree. And then if you type -name, then you can put a file specification within that. So so for example, ASM. And so if I hit return now, it pulls back all the ASM files within that tree. But I just want to search for the Python files, so .py. So that finds the files, but then what you can do with the find command is you can go -exec, and then you can specify another Linux command and pass in arguments to that. So grep is a command which searches for text within files. If I use -h option, which will display the file name that is passed to it, and the line number within that file where the text is found, then you type the text in, so I know that I've got this text within those source files somewhere. And then you have to put open close curly braces, and the find command replaces those open closed curly braces with the file name each time it finds a file. And then to finish the find command, you put /semicolon, and if I hit return, it's pulled back 2 files. So it occurs twice within this one file. It occurs at line 209 and 631, and this is the text on those lines. But you can go a step further with this command as well. So if I bring back the command and I add 2 more arguments to the grep command, -b2, -a2, that will display 2 lines of text before the find and 2 lines of text after the find. You can change this. You could display 5 lines of text, but after, however many lines you want it to. So if I hit return now, it gives you some context at where it's found. So it finds it on line 630, but 631. But it displays 2 lines of text before and 2 lines of text after, and the same with the first time it finds it on line 209 in this file, or the same file but earlier on, and it displays 2 lines of text before and 2 lines of text afterwards. So it gives you a bit of context. So if I did change the after to 5, so now it displays 5 lines of text after the find and 2 lines of text before.